To address the issue of an LG washer not spinning, follow these steps. First, ensure the washer is properly balanced and leveled. As an unbalanced machine can cause spinning problems, check the legs of the washer and adjust them, if necessary, to level the machine. Next, inspect the drain pump filter for blockages. A clogged filter can prevent the washer from spinning, so clean or replace the filter as needed. Also, check the washer's drain hose for kinks or blockages, and ensure it is properly connected to the drain pipe. Another possible cause is an overloaded washer. If the washer is overloaded, it may not spin properly, so try reducing the load size. Additionally, check the washer's settings to ensure the correct cycle is selected, as some cycles may not include a spin phase. If the issue persists, check the washer's belt and pulley system for signs of wear or damage. A broken or worn-out belt can prevent the washer from spinning, so replace it if necessary. It is also essential to check the lid switch, as a faulty lid switch can prevent the washer from spinning. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the washer or check for any software updates. Refer to the user manual for instructions on how to reset the washer or check for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your LG washer not spinning. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help extend the life of your washer and prevent future issues.